In today's video, we're going to learn how to issue a credit memo for an overpayment in QuickBooks. This is an important step to make sure your customers' accounts are accurate and your financial records stay clean. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on your dashboard, head to the Customer section and click Receive Payment. Select the customer who made the overpayment and choose the invoice you want to apply the credit to. Enter the amount of the overpayment you want to apply. You can also add a short memo to keep a note of the adjustment, and if needed, attach any supporting files. Once that's done, click Save and Close. This ensures the credit is properly recorded against the invoice. Next, you might want to create a new invoice or notify the customer about the credit. Go to New and click Invoice. Select the customer and include a note if needed to let them know about the applied credit. Then save the invoice and you're done. If you want QuickBooks to automatically apply future credits for that customer, go to Settings, Accountant Settings, Advanced, Automation, and enable Automatically Apply Credits. This makes handling overpayments even easier moving forward. And that's it. Issuing a credit memo is a simple process that keeps your accounting accurate and shows your customers that you manage payments carefully. And that's how you issue a credit memo for overpayments in QuickBooks. Try it out, and you'll see how smooth managing customer credits can be.